You asked for it. 7 pullback indicators, ranked and reviewed. Same scoring system as always, no fluff. Let's dive in. Pullback trading. Created by Fenry0331, this Pine script indicator combines dual EMA trend identification with Elder's Force Index to detect retracement entries within established directional moves. It operates in a separate pane, displaying the Force Index oscillator alongside color-coded backgrounds and triangular signals marking pullback opportunities. The trend framework uses 13 and 26 period EMAs to establish market direction. When the faster average crosses above the slower, it plots a black X marking trend initiation for long setups, with the inverse signaling downtrends for shorts. The force index calculation multiplies price change by volume and smooths the result over 2 periods, creating a highly sensitive momentum oscillator. This short look back ensures rapid response to buying or selling pressure shifts, targeting temporary pullbacks rather than trend reversals. Entry signals trigger when price behavior contradicts the force index while maintaining trend alignment. Longs require lows below the 13 exponential moving average with negative force index readings, yet the 13 must remain above the 26 exponential moving average, catching price dips during intact uptrends. Aqua triangles mark these setups with white background highlighting. Short setups demand highs above the 13 EMA with positive force index readings, while the 26 EMA stays above the 13, identifying bearish retracements marked by red triangles and yellow backgrounds. The methodology suggests placing buy orders above highs of aqua triangle bars and sell orders below lows of red triangle bars, using pullback extremes as breakout confirmation rather than entering during actual retracements. It applies established concepts with clear visual communication, though execution lacks sophistication. The 2-period force index generates excessive noise, producing frequent signals that don't always represent genuine pullbacks, and the rigid EMA structure without volatility context means inconsistent performance across different market conditions. The lack of filtering beyond basic trend requirements allows marginal setups equal weight to high-probability scenarios, forcing traders to add discretionary judgment the indicator doesn't provide. Pullback candle. Created by Lux Trade Venture, this indicator identifies potential reversal points by detecting specific candlestick sequences combined with swing low conditions. It searches for a 4-candle pattern, where prices decline progressively over 3 candles before showing a reversal with the 4th candle, closing higher than the previous one. The logic requires 3 consecutive lower closes, followed by an upward close, creating a visual representation of selling exhaustion, followed by buying interest. The indicator adds a swing low filter that confirms the pattern occurs at locally significant price levels, specifically when the current or previous low represents the lowest point over the past 6 candles. This dual requirement ensures signals appear at potential support zones rather than mid-trend. An optional EMA filter adds directional bias, allowing traders to focus on pullbacks within established trends. When activated with the default 50-period setting, it only triggers signals when price remains above the moving average, filtering out counter-trend setups. The visualization places small green crosses below qualifying candles while coloring the entire bar green, making pattern recognition straightforward. The swing low detection period remains fixed at 6 candles, which works across most standard timeframes without requiring optimization. It provides a straightforward approach to identifying pullback entries with basic swing structure confirmation. The pattern logic is simple, and the optional trend filter adds practical utility, though the fixed swing parameters and limited customization reduce its adaptability across different market conditions and trading styles. EMA Pullback System 1-5RRR. Created by Filoner, this indicator identifies pullback entries within established trends using a 3 EMA framework combined with strong candlestick confirmation. It targets high-risk reward setups by requiring specific price behavior within a zone between 2 moving averages, while maintaining alignment with a longer-term trend filter. The system employs EMAs at 21, 50, and 200 periods, creating hierarchical structure. The 200 EMA establishes market direction. Price must remain above for longs, below for shorts. The 21 and 50 EMAs form a pullback zone where entries trigger when price temporarily dips into this area during uptrends or rallies into it during downtrends. Entry qualification demands price penetrate the fast 21 EMA with the low, while keeping the close above the slow 50 EMA for buys, proving the pullback stayed shallow enough to maintain bullish structure. For sells, highs must exceed the fast EMA, while closes remain below the slow average, confirming controlled retracements rather than reversals. The candlestick confirmation requirement filters weak setups by demanding strong-bodied candles, where the real body comprises over 60% of total candle range. Risk management calculates stop losses at the pullback extreme, the low for buys or high for sells. Take profit targets automatically plot at 5-to-1 reward-to-risk ratio. These levels display as dashed lines updating with each signal. The visual presentation plots all three EMAs with distinct colors and labeled buy-sell signals on qualifying candles. Stop loss and take profit lines persist from the most recent signal for ongoing trade reference. Users can adjust all three EMA periods, modify the risk-reward ratio for different targets, and rely on automatic stop-loss take-profit calculation to maintain consistent position sizing principles across trades. The automated risk-reward calculation provides clear trade management, though the fixed 60% body ratio and rigid EMA zone requirements may miss valid setups during varying market conditions or when volatility alters typical candlestick proportions. Created by Chris Moody, the Slingshot system operates as a dual EMA trend-following methodology designed to keep traders aligned with market momentum while providing entry timing. The core mechanism uses a 38-period fast EMA and 62-period slow EMA to establish trend direction, with the system generating signals based on price behavior relative to these moving averages during pullbacks. The methodology distinguishes between aggressive and conservative entry approaches. Aggressive entries trigger when price pulls back below the fast EMA during uptrends, or above during downtrends, serving as early alerts to potential reversals. Conservative entries require price to move back above the fast EMA after being below it the previous bar, confirming the pullback has ended and trend resumption is underway. This two-tier approach allows traders to either position early with higher risk or wait for confirmation with reduced risk. The system performs well during trending markets where directional bias exists, particularly in swing trading timeframes. The pullback mechanism captures natural retracements within established trends, providing entry points compared to chasing breakouts. The visual components, colored bars for pullbacks, trend triangles, and entry arrows, create a trading environment where trend direction and entry timing are apparent. The EMA fill between the two moving averages provides visual confirmation of trend strength and direction changes. Strategic implementation works by using aggressive signals as preparation alerts while taking action on conservative entries. Traders can scale into positions using both signals or filter trades by only taking conservative entries when they align with higher timeframe trends. The customizable display options allow adaptation to different trading styles. Scalpers might prefer the feedback of colored bars, while swing traders focus on the trend triangles for broader context. However, the system struggles in choppy sideways markets, where the EMAs frequently cross and generate false signals. The relatively short EMA periods make it susceptible to whipsaws during volatile consolidations. Price gaps can bypass the pullback mechanism entirely, causing missed opportunities or late entries. The lack of momentum or volume confirmation means traders might enter during weak trend resumption attempts that fail quickly. The slingshot method capitalizes on trend continuation by identifying temporary pullbacks within established moves. This approach provides risk-reward ratios compared to breakout strategies while maintaining the simplicity of EMA-based trend identification. The dual signal approach provides flexibility while the visual clarity makes execution straightforward. Loses points for poor performance in choppy markets and lack of volatility adjustment. Common real-world conditions that limit practical application. Pullback Trading Tool, ALT R2.0. Created by Just Uncle L, this comprehensive PineScript indicator serves as an all-in-one pullback trading system that integrates multiple technical analysis components into a cohesive methodology. The tool combines anchored moving averages, pivot detection, trend identification, and alert generation, specifically designed for trading retracements within established trends. The indicator operates on a multi-time frame anchored system, where users can set higher time frame references, daily, weekly, or custom periods, while analyzing lower time frame charts. This anchoring mechanism adjusts moving average calculations proportionally, creating consistency across different chart timeframes. The core framework includes 3 anchored moving averages, 35, 65, and 200 EMAs by default, 1 signal moving average, 50 EMA, and a ribbon system using faster EMAs, 5 and 12. The trend definition relies on proper alignment of these moving averages. Uptrends require the ribbon above signal above medium anchored MA, while downtrends need the reverse positioning. Entry signals generate when price pulls back to test these moving averages or breaks previous fractal levels after trend continuation. The system distinguishes between trend break entries, new trend formation, and pullback entries, retracements within existing trends. Pivot point detection uses customizable left and right bar parameters to identify fractal highs and lows, with additional higher high/lower low marking capabilities for trend line drawing assistance. The colored bar system provides immediate visual feedback about price position relative to the signal moving average, using either standard 3-color or advanced 6-color schemes. Users benefit from extensive customization, including moving average types, SMA, EMA, WMA, VWMA, Hull, zero lag, and others, adjustable lengths, anchor timeframe selection, and various display options. This indicator demonstrates sophisticated integration of multiple technical concepts into a unified pullback trading framework. The anchored timeframe methodology adds professional-grade functionality, while the comprehensive alert system provides actionable signals. However, its complexity may overwhelm newer traders, and the numerous parameters require careful optimization to avoid overfitting to specific market conditions. Auto-Fib Retracement Alerts. Created by DevLucem, this Pine script automatically identifies significant swing points and draws Fibonacci retracement levels between them, triggering alerts when price reaches a specified retracement target. The pivot detection system scans for local extremes using a configurable depth parameter, identifying highs and lows that stand as the strongest point within their surrounding candles. Once found, it calculates percentage deviation from the previous pivot. Only movements exceeding the threshold, default 5%, qualify as significant swings worthy of Fibonacci analysis. When a valid swing forms, the indicator plots up to 13 Fibonacci levels between swing points, spanning from 0% to 423.6% extensions. Each level displays as a horizontal line with accompanying labels, showing both Fibonacci ratio and actual price value. The alert mechanism monitors a user-selected retracement level, default 61.8%, and fires signals when price crosses this target following new swing formation. Buy alerts trigger when price retraces down to the level during upswings, while sell alerts activate on retracements up during downswings. The logic ensures only the first touch after swing confirmation generates alerts. The reverse option allows inverting Fibonacci direction for different analysis perspectives, or measuring from recent price action backward to previous extremes. Line extension controls determine whether levels project into future bars, past bars, or both directions. Users can toggle individual Fibonacci levels, customize the deviation threshold to capture more or fewer swings, adjust depth for sensitivity to short-term versus longer-term pivots, and modify which retracement level triggers alerts. Display options include showing prices, ratios, or both on labels. The deviation filtering and customizable levels provide genuine utility, though the fixed pivot logic may lag during fast markets and reliance on historical swings means it won't identify developing opportunities until price confirms the pivot structure. Volume Spike Retracement. Created by Rick Simpson, this Pine script indicator identifies abnormal volume events and plots retracement levels from the extreme prices reached during those spikes, operating on the premise that volume-driven moves establish key levels where price returns for continuation or reversal setups. The volume spike detection compares current volume against its highest reading over a look-back period, default 89 bars, using relative strength calculation. It processes volume through exponential smoothing to reduce noise, then measures deviations from this baseline. When deviation exceeds a multiplier threshold of recent maximum deviation, the system flags a volume spike and captures the candlestick's extreme price, the high for bearish spikes or low for bullish ones. The retracement framework treats these volume-marked prices as significant decision zones. Bearish spikes draw lines at the candle high, representing overhead resistance where sellers overwhelmed buyers. Bullish spikes generate support lines at lows where buyers stepped in aggressively. The indicator maintains up to a configurable number of historical lines, default 10, automatically removing the oldest when new spikes occur. Labels display exact price values and bar count since formation, quantifying how long each level has remained untested. Line management tracks whether price has crossed each level. Once breached, labels disappear and the line either extends forward, if enabled, or stops updating, visually communicating which zones remain active versus invalidated. Alert functionality triggers on initial volume spike detection at the specified threshold and when price crosses active retracement lines for the first time, allowing traders to monitor spike formations and catch retest opportunities without constant chart watching. Users can adjust volume look-back period and multiplier sensitivity to capture more or fewer spikes, select between single line or zone visualization, modify line appearance through style and size options, control maximum displayed levels, and toggle historical price or volume strength labels. The gradient aging system and cross-tracking add sophistication beyond basic line drawing, though effectiveness depends heavily on chosen time frame and whether volume spikes genuinely mark structural turning points in the specific market being traded. One thing. All indicators work better when you read market structure correctly. We break it down step by step in the video showing now.